Been to California, never been to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I...
Book? You're reading a book? What does the book says? It says, one toy, two teeth.
Banana!
Wow,
Banana! Delicious! Yummy! Yummy! Banana!
Yung banana?
Banana! Yummy! Delicious! Ba?
Yummy? Delicious? Is it delicious? Lami ba? Lami?
Lami daw, baby.
Yum, yum na, yum, yum. Yum, yum naman yan. Gidan, gidan, gidan. Hello? Hello?
Live together. Galing na garden. Pagpapag-usap. Galing na garden. Grabe si Mama dyan eh. Sumama ka din. Yun pala. Yan kasama. Sisipa ako eh. Huwag mo sipa. Ay, Naya. Sipa. Ay, Naya. Sipa. Wala, Bulacan area naman kaso. Kami na Quezon City. Bulacan area. Picture. Picture kami. May kami nag-ano. Oh, hindi na. Sino may nandun sa ano? Ako. Ayun na. Picture na. O yan. Sige na.
Say hi to the video. Hi!
Post no?
Hello, hi!
Hello, dami kong stuff.
Wow!
Ayan, no? Welcome to my stuff. Welcome to your home. Welcome to my ref. Yan ang mga stuff ng life ko.
Magkano yan?
Ano to? Sterilize. Yan.
Ang sipag ni Tita Lalayo.
Escape. Ano pa, Yakult.
So we're trying their cookies and cream. This is their best seller. So this is only for 5 pesos, guys. And if you wanna buy, go here at Bukawi, Bulacan.
Wow, ayan pa, may pagkain ka dun.
Wow! So we also have a lot of food here. Woo! Yes, let's try to get one.
They taste.
Let's try it.
Sarap.
Ano ito, Tita?
Tita,
Tita Bebe. Anong flavor yan? Anong flavor yan?
Buko pandan.
Buko panda.
Hindi kasi, baka hindi ka pa kumakuhin ito eh. Ano isip? Kala ko kung saan ito. Ikaw lang gumawa niya ice cream niya. ice candy, tapos mga flavor.
Happy Father's Day, Kuya! 1, 2, 3, video.
Hi, Konga.
Sige, kumusta ka dyan, eh? Hindi ka kasi pumunta rito, eh.
Puntahan ka namin dyan. Pasalan ka namin dyan.
Kapalawak siya, kapayong. Kapayong? Tingin niya ako. Wow, kapayong. Okay din namin.
And it's always gone too fast. Like a
Kuya.
trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.
Yung ano mo na? Saan ba si
Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. Was staying here the right call? And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the
YouTube yan, YouTube. Welcome. Dito lang siya doon. Sige, sumo.
hill. I can't.
Di ba niya, naging talo eh. Para ito maglaki. Sabi mo, kuya? Habit na sa isigalan. Dito na ulan.
Hello!
Watching your life, waiting for.
Hi, Tita. Hi.
Doon. Busog mo na. Busog ka na daw. Sarap ulit ulitin. Ano? Yo, Doritos. Here as Malolos Bulacan. Eat all you can. 240 pesos lang. Balik kayo. Punta kayo dito. Sulit! Meron ano din yan? Meron sushi.
walking place.
Kaya pa yun mamaya, kaya pa yun. Kaya pa yun alam.
Going to take over the vlog. Welcome to my vlog.
Sino yan?
Bakit sino ka lagi sa mami ko?
Never been to California.
Masarap ba?
Sarap po.
Masarap kumain kung malakas ka kumain.
Akin gulay.
Sa akin is yung ano,
Green?
pork chop. Wala siyang kawali pa.
Tara.
And it's so
Ay, hindi ka tata yan? Ay, kayo naman, nakabilib kita tata.
to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here the right call. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James